Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobe. President Cyril Ramaphosa said he has told Sports, Arts and Culture Minister Nathi Mthethwa to cancel the controversial 22 million rands project to erect a 100-meter flagpole at Freedom Park in Pretoria. On Thursday, Mthethwa announced that he directed his department to review the process related to the monumental flag in its totality. However, Ramaphosa emphatically stated that the project has been cancelled. While addressing a Black Business Council gala dinner on Thursday night, Ramaphosa said government listened to the concerns of its people, which led to the upcoming public procurement bill. Ramaphosa said he had a phone call conversation with Nathi Mthethwa. The minister told the president that this flag thing, which is such a wonderful initiative, it seems our people are not happy with it. Ramaphosa said he told him, of course, they are not happy with it. And then when Mthethwa asked him what they needed to do, Ramaphosa said, cancel this thing. Ramaphosa then said this showed that we as a government listen to our own people. He acknowledged that the price was too high and that while the project was shelved, we will see it once our economy is flying. Do you think Cyril Ramaphosa cancelled this project because of pressure that came from social media? I'm definitely sure he knew about the project way before Nathi Mthethwa announced it in public. Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.